Have you ever wanted to launch a business or side hustle, but you don't know where to start? Well, what if I told you it's possible to launch your next money-making venture in minutes by leveraging the power of AI? And that's because a tool called Durable lets people go from idea to reality in a matter of minutes, just by using simple text prompts and their imagination. And that's why in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to launch a business using Durable, how to build your own custom website, and how to handle all of the marketing and sales by using its AI technology. There's some secret sauce in this one you definitely don't want to miss, and if you have an idea you've been itching to start but you don't exactly know how, this is a video for you. Let's get to it. And so guys, by now I've tested out tons of AI tools and website builders out there, but let me start out by saying that Durable isn't just an AI website builder. In fact, Durable has changed from just helping you build websites to helping entrepreneurs and side hustlers launch and manage their entire business from one single dashboard. And so what's really cool, and for the first step, you can actually sign up for Durable for free and publish your website for free just to kind of see how the whole platform works. So Durable has a free plan for you guys to check out, and their team is also super cool and is sponsoring today's video. So you can also get 30% off one of their paid plans if you use the link in the description box and pinned comment and use the code TOM30 at checkout, but more on that later. Anyways, once you create your account with Durable, finishing the sign up process is pretty simple. You just have to answer a couple of questions like what you want to do, where you're located, and a bit of basic information about your business or the business you want to start. This helps Durable understand your business idea and actually gets your website up and running right out of the box. Now, I'm actually launching a new digital marketing service that focuses on YouTube for brands, so that's what I'm going to use Durable to build right now. And so the second step in using Durable, once you're done signing up, is to actually build your website by using its AI technology. And so like I said, once you give Durable this basic information about your business and goals, it actually creates the framework for your new business website in a matter of minutes. And I'll show you guys my website here, and it's honestly pretty good right out of the gate. As you guys can see, there's lots of nice images, there's text explaining what your business does, there's even a pricing section, and even testimonials, and the whole thing is optimized to be SEO and mobile friendly. Now, of course, guys, this is just a framework. You're not going to launch your business just like this, but Durable makes it very easy for you to customize your website so it looks and feels exactly how you want. And it's very easy to do. You can customize and edit headers and text exactly how you want. You can change out images so you're using your own photos. And if you don't have photos, you can use Durable to regenerate images using AI so your website looks exactly how you want. It's really as simple as clicking around, editing content, and dragging or dropping elements where you want them to go. I also really like that it's SEO and mobile friendly, and again, you can basically get a website up and running completely for free with some basic text prompts and a little bit of editing work, which is honestly awesome. Now, the third step in using Durable is to use the Durable Studio. Now again, back in the day, Durable used to just be a website building tool, but it now has so many other features that help business owners scale their brand and actually get customers and grow their business, which is very exciting. And Durable Studio feature is the perfect example. This is basically an AI assistant that can do things like create logos and brand assets for your business, help you create social media content, and help you design other graphics and visuals you use for your brand. And so to show you guys how Durable Studio works, I'm actually going to make a logo for my new Tom Blake Media Inc. consulting business. As you can see, it has lots of pre-existing templates and design ideas, and it's pretty easy to find something that fits your vibe. And Durable even adds in its own prompts based on what it understands about your business and industry, and it can generate a logo for you in seconds. And guys, this is super cool because in the past, you would have to spend like $50 to $100 or even $200 or more to get a professional looking logo from someone on Fiverr. Now you can do it for free with Durable in a matter of seconds. And really, this is just logos, but Durable Studio has a lot of other functionality as well. I mean, you can use it to create social media posters and graphics, which is a really good way to begin generating content you post on platforms like LinkedIn or Instagram to start promoting your new business. All right, guys, and now the fourth step in using Durable to launch your business is to start using Durable's AI partner. And really, Durable Studio is just one feature you can use to start ramping up your new business, but this AI partner feature is honestly so cool. And that's because Durable has numerous AI partners which kind of act like mini employees for your business, which again can help you scale and acquire more customers. And so I'll go through my account here and show you guys how some of these AI partners work. You can find all of the partners over on the left sidebar once you click the AI partner button. And really, in my opinion, one of the coolest ones is the marketing assistant. Now, this AI partner is similar to Studio, and it can help you do things like come up with content ideas, create social media graphics, create newsletter templates, and build entirely ready to post social graphics. Now, to test out Durable, I actually told it to create 2 different kinds of posts for this new business. For each post, I wanted it to generate one vertical image, which was portrait orientation and suitable for platforms like Instagram and TikTok, And I wanted it to write one caption that includes 3 to 5 relevant hashtags. And honestly, this is awesome because it did this without any prompting from me, and this is really one value add of Durable. With a lot of other AI tools out there, you still have to feed it so much information in terms of your prompting. You have to hold its hand the whole way. And so it's not really like having an employee who just works on their own. It's kind of like having an employee you have to monitor 24/7 to make sure they're doing their job right. Durable isn't like this. You really don't have to hold its hand or babysit it all the time. And that's because it uses information and context about your business to create these graphics and images and marketing assets for you, which again is quite different than a lot of the other tools I've seen out there. Of course, you can still give Durable prompts or additional information or other things to help it out, but really it does a pretty good job on its own, just kind of figuring things out based on your business. Now, Durable has other AI partners you can also use, and another one I really like is its Research AI partner. And you can basically use this to conduct market research and analysis, and it saves so much time it can help point you in the right direction. For example, you can ask it to generate a business plan for you, you can ask it to do competitive research, and it can even help you with licensing or regulatory requirements if there are any in your industry. Now, to test this out, I actually asked Durable to create a marketing plan for this new YouTube consulting agency I plan on launching. And after it asked me a few questions about my goals and service offerings, it came up with a 90-day go-to-market game plan. And again, this won't necessarily be perfect, it's not foolproof, and you still have to execute on something like this, but if you're new to business or you're trying to get some clarity on the direction you should take your business, this can save you so much time and is actually so useful to do. And again, this is another unique feature I haven't really seen from a lot of companies out there that just focus on building AI websites. Again, the goal with Durable is to help you launch a business, not just build a website using AI. So I love that it has this kind of feature for business owners. All right, guys, now another AI partner you can check out on Durable is its sales partner. And honestly, this is really powerful if you have a service-based business or some kind of consulting business because it can really help you find your ideal customer and start marketing to them. And so Durable's AI sales agent can basically help you outline your ideal customer profile, help you find leads, and help you create a game plan for outreach and actually finding the right potential customers. And so I was pretty curious how this worked, and so I actually had Durable help me identify my ideal target customer, and it came out with a pretty robust ideal customer profile sheet, or ICP. But more importantly, Durable actually gave me advice and action items for where to find these potential leads. And again, for business owners, this is nice because you're not being left in the dark. Durable isn't just building a website for you, it's actually helping you identify your target customers and then helping you market to them and acquire them. Now, those are some of the coolest AI partners you can use with Durable, but there are some other features on this platform I wanted to cover really quickly. And one of them that is easy to overlook, but is honestly super important for any business, is its invoicing capabilities. Durable can now help you create and send invoices to your clients so you actually begin getting revenue flowing into your new business. You can send payment links, you can manage all of your customers and invoices from one central platform, and it's super simple. And again, this is nice because a lot of invoicing and accounting software out there costs like $20, $30, $40, even $50 per month or more. I've used plenty of them in the past for my businesses, and it's nice that this is now in a central platform on Durable, and you don't have to pay for a bunch of third-party software. But anyways, guys, those are some of the main features and tools that Durable has on its platform to help you launch and scale your new business. But there's one more really cool feature I wanted to cover as well. And that's because there's a new Durable feature that is super important and useful if you want to get discovered by the right customers, and it's called Discoverability. And so Discoverability actually tracks and improves how your business appears in AI tools like ChatGPT and on Google. And so over time, as you add content to your website and start marketing, it can track how your business and brand appears in AI search results from LLMs like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, and Perplexity. And you can also see how you're performing in directories like Google Business Profile, Yelp, Facebook, and LinkedIn. Now, when you first launch your business, there won't really be any data here because again, you're a brand new business and you haven't really been discovered yet. But this tab and tracking capability is so useful because as you begin marketing your business, you want to ensure you're being found by the right customers and you're appearing in AI search results and the right business directories on the internet. But anyways, guys, that does it for some of Durable's main features and how it can essentially help you launch your next business in really a matter of minutes and just a little bit of work one afternoon. But now I want to talk about pricing because you're probably wondering, how does pricing even work for this thing? And like I mentioned, what's really nice is that Durable does have a free plan for you guys to try it out. And this free plan lets you build and publish a website on Durable's subdomain. It provides some basic analytics and it also has some studio assets and functionality. And again, this is really cool because you can now actually build a website with Durable and you don't have to pay for it and you don't have to put in your credit card. Now that said, I do think launching with your own domain name is very important for credibility and to look more professional. And I also think paying for Durable is worth it so you can unlock all of its awesome features, especially like its AI partners. Now the paid plans also include a custom domain, which I love, and they also let you build unlimited pages and support unlimited website visitors as well. And like I mentioned, you can also use my unique link in the description box and pinned comment, or use the code TOM30 to get a 30% discount on your Durable plan. So it's really a great time to try out Durable if there's a business idea you've wanted to launch and put into action and you just haven't taken action yet. Using the code also helps support the channel, so thank you guys in advance, and thanks again to Durable for sponsoring today's video. But that kind of leads me to my last question and how I want to wrap up this video, which is who should be using a platform and tool like Durable? And really, I think Durable is worth trying if, again, you've had a business idea for a while and you just haven't turned it into reality quite yet. Durable is so beginner friendly and it's helping people launch businesses every day now. And again, you can get started for free to try it out and then upgrade to one of the paid plans when you want to take things to the next level. I also think Durable is worth trying for anyone who has an existing business, but maybe you have an outdated website and maybe you just want to centralize everything on one single platform and kind of simplify things a little bit. And similarly, if you're the kind of person who's paying for 20 different tools right now and spending a fortune every month on subscription costs, bringing everything to Durable might make a lot of financial sense. Again, Durable is super beginner friendly, and one thing I love about AI is that it's really removing barriers to entry here, and tools like Durable let anyone start a business even if they have no experience. And again, you can try it out completely for free just to get the wheels turning and to get those creative juices flowing, and you can launch your business in minutes with some simple text prompts. Again, I encourage you guys to launch businesses all the time. I think the right business idea can change your life, and at the very least, it helps teach you some super valuable skills that will serve you for years to come. But yeah, hopefully this Durable review helps you understand how this platform works and helps inspire you to start your own business. Like I mentioned, I'll be linking Durable down below if you guys want to check them out. It does help support the channel, so thank you guys again. And thank you for all of the support and for likes and comments and watching. It honestly means the world. I hope you guys all have a fantastic day and week, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.